On June 29, 2022, a deadly encounter unfolded in Saranac Lake, New York, after police responded to a 911 call about a stabbing. When officers located the suspect, 29-year-old Joshua de Miguel Cavota, things escalated rapidly. According to officials, Cavota refused to drop a knife and charged at an officer, prompting deadly force. The New York Attorney General's office later ruled the shooting justified. Viewer discretion is advised as we now show the raw body cam footage from that day for educational purposes.
What's up?
He assaulted me. He trespassed on my property.
Okay, where's the knife?
I can't give you that.
Okay, I need you to take it out of your pocket and give it to me right now.
Do that.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
It's my property.
Sir, I need you to take the knife out of your pocket.
I would be careful with
Yeah, no!
Shots fired, 0834. We're notifying state police.
Get up, everyone! I need people back up! Back up! I need everyone to back up!
This is the guy he attacked before.
Alright,
Aaron, you need to get the knife away from him so I can get him.
Dispatch for Saranac Lake.
Okay, you got it.
EMS Colonel Stewart's EPD on scene. Possible gunshot wound.
Aaron,
For Saranac Lake. Priority 1 EMS Colonel Stewart's.
back up. Okay, I need you to get the book bag out of my passenger side seat. The book bag out of the passenger side seat.
835.
do you want an ambulance?
Yeah, we just called for an ambulance. You can give him another call.
Yes, please, please.
Call the bar or Swain. I got that.
I need somebody's shirt. Can somebody give me their shirt, please? Where did you hit him, Aaron? The chest?
Yeah, sure.
What else do you need? Sir. Unconscious, not breathing. What do you need?
I need something for the pressure.
Can you open my book bag? Yes, it's picked up.
What do you need, ma'am?
Do you need me to hold the pressure while you look? Yeah, can you hold it? Absolutely. Hold the pressure as hard as you can.
Come on, man. Hang in there. Okay, hang in there.
How many times you hit him? 2 times to the chest.
Come on, man. Hang in there.
Just take a deep breath.
Hang in there, man. Hang in there. EMS is on the way.
Quick clap. Yeah. He's not conscious, not breathing.
He's breathing a little. He just took like 4 breaths.
They're not real breaths. I have the, yep, you want to start CPR.
I'm gonna have you move your hand.
You already have it.
Demolish your firefighter if you need me to step in.
Oh, you're good.
Hey, Corey. Traumatic arrest, stab wounds to the heart.
No, it's gunshot wounds.
Gunshot wounds. Yes.
Yep.
Okay, well, get the monitor. Yep.
Ryan, give me a beer, bud.
I'll try it. Keep going.
I don't know if I got
Thank
hit.
you.
Are you okay?
No, I don't know if I got hit with the knife.
Okay, all right.
Oh, yeah, you guys might take it from her.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more real case footage, and share to help others stay informed. Stay safe out there.